Hello guys, and welcome to mattsbeamer. Today's quick video is my second DIY video on this Mk3 SKODA Octavia. I will show you how to change the air filter. This actual Octavia here has the 1.6 MPI petrol engine fitted, which is more popular in the eastern part of the world in places like China, Egypt, Russia and CIS countries on their Seat, Skoda and Volkswagen vehicles. Anyway, the part number of this original VAG air filter is 04E129620A. Let's begin the job. First of all, go to the driver's side and pull the bonnet release. Then release the latch just underneath the Skoda badge, and then put the bonnet up by using the bonnet prop. Here is where the air filter is housed, just under this cover. To remove it, undo the 8 Phillips screws around the edge of the filter housing. Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the final one, number 8. Well, actually it's not the final one, because in the center there is another Phillips screw which you need to undo, just below the letter M on the MPI badge. When removing the air filter cover, please be careful with this rubber pipe. Don't damage it. There is no need to disconnect it for this job. When you move the cover out of the way, you are greeted with the air filter. You will also be able to see the throttle body. Don't drop anything into this. It's bad news if you do. When you remove the air filter, you will see how dirty the old one is compared to the new one. Before you fit the clean one, it's recommended to clean out the air filter housing, ideally with a hoover, but unfortunately I only had an antibacterial wipe. When it's all clean, stick in the air filter as shown. Make sure it fits in the space nicely and does not get caught up anywhere. Next, you will need to refit the cover nicely, making sure that all the screw holes line up and there are no gaps around the edge which would let air in. When they are all fitted, just start the car up and see if she runs well. If she runs well, then well done. If it runs funny, then you probably left a gap so air can get inside. Stay tuned for my next DIY video, which is fitting the air cabin filter, and that is a nightmare. Anyway, take care, goodbye.